All right, guys. Well, we're about to head off to lunch, and I just wanted to discuss one last thing. HDMI specifications. Is it important? Should I just get some Amazon basic HDMIs and call it a day? I don't know. Grayson.
Yes.
How many Amazon basic cables have we ripped out of people's walls?
Everyone.
Literally every one. So unless you got a really low quality 4K setup, it's not going to work. Don't waste your money. What you need is a high quality 18 gigabit per second 4K at 60 hertz HDR. It doesn't have to be gold plated necessarily, but it is nice. And ARC audio return channel is nice. Now this is a fiber optic cable and it is CL3 rated, which means it can go in the wall. Those are some of the key specifications that you're looking for. You also want to make sure it does the full 4x4x4 at 18 gigabits per second. If you're not getting those ratings out of the cable, or if it's not advertised clearly, if it just says 4K, don't waste your money. If you guys need cabling, we do sell cabling as well as all the equipment that you need to complete your home theater project. So make sure to like our video, subscribe, and give us a call for purchasing. We do have a low price guarantee. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching.